What if I told you the hottest action figures right now aren't superheroes or movie stars? They're inspired by real-world professionals and creators. Imagine your favorite YouTuber, baker, or even your dentist as a collectible figure. Sounds wild, right? Stick around, because today we're exploring OpenAI's trending action figures, where business meets creativity and everyone gets to be a hero. And here's the coolest part. You can actually create your own action figure, just like the ones I'm about to show you. As you meet each character, imagine how you design them as a collectible. Then, try it yourself using this ChatGPT format. So as we go through each action figure, picture how you'd bring them to life using this format. And don't forget to share your creations in the comments. Let's kick things off with the creators and educators, the people who inspire us every day. Imagine these as action figures, ready to be unboxed. First up, Appy Dave, the tech innovator who's always got a new app up his sleeve. What would his outfit and accessories be? Maybe a smart blazer, a tablet, and a mini robot sidekick. Next, there's AITLDR, also known as AI Teacher Lex, the perfect figure for anyone who loves learning with a futuristic twist. Picture her with a digital chalkboard, a stack of ebooks, and some high-tech glasses. And of course, Cam the creator. With his vlogging setup, he's ready to capture every moment and share it with the world. I'd give him a camera, a selfie stick, and a backpack full of creative tools. For the gamers, Streamin' Stevie is your guy. Gaming chair, pro mic, and always ready to go live. His accessories? Definitely a headset, a neon keyboard, and a trophy for top streamer. See how easy it is to imagine these creators as action figures? Now, let's talk about the real-world heroes, profession-based action figures that celebrate everyday expertise. Pat the plumber is always on call, wrench in hand and leak radar at the ready. Dr. Smiles brings confidence and sparkle power to dental care, making oral health look cool. Becky the baker is whipping up cupcakes with her signature frosting swirl hands. Sweet success in every batch. Fleximax is the ultimate personal trainer, rocking a sweatband and kettlebell, motivating you to reach your goals. Stylist Shay is all about fashion, with color swatches in hand and an eye for style. Photo Phoebe never misses a moment, equipped with a DSLR and a lens for every occasion. Tat Matt is the tattoo artist with ink blaster tools, ready to create your next masterpiece. Snips the stylist brings flair to every haircut, neon comb in hand, and creativity to spare. Barista Brie is the caffeine queen, serving up latte art and good vibes. And finally, Keys Kelly, the real estate queen, turns every open house into a sold-out event. So, why are these action figures trending? Simple. They celebrate the real people who make our world work. From creators who inspire us online to professionals who keep our lives running smoothly, these figures remind us that everyone can be a hero in their own way. Now it's your turn. Which action figure would you create? Share your ideas or try the ChatGPT format in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more creative content. Still here? Awesome. Ready to see your job as an action figure? Use the ChatGPT format in the comments. And want to unlock even more AI creativity? Check out my other videos and playlists for tips, tricks, and inspiration. Like and subscribe to stay in the loop. Thanks for watching.